Kiddyzuzaa. That'll be the delivery man. Come in. These are the toys, just here. Olivia, are you sure about this? I mean, getting rid of your toys? Are you sure you won't miss them or anything? I'm not giving them away, Esme. I'm just giving them a new home.
Okay, that's everything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hang on. Esme, where's Mr. Snuggles? I don't know. Esme, you're not hiding him, are you? No, seriously. Then where is he? He must have been taken to the toy store. Don't panic, Olivia. I know just what to do.
Okay, Esme, I'm tracking the collection van as we speak. It looks like it's heading towards the toy store in Central Zoosville.
Understood. Meet you there?
Affirmative. Liliana over and out.
Olivia, I'll have Mr. Snuggles back in no time. Agent Liliana, are you ready for mission to save Snuggles?
I am, Agent Esme.
Have you brought provisions?
I certainly have. There's a lot of hardware in here, all serious spy equipment. What did you bring?
Snacks!
What do we need snacks for?
What don't we need snacks for?
Come on, let's get inside. The toy store's closed for the night. Okay, let's split up.
Good idea.
No luck. I looked in loads of boxes and found nothing. How did you get on?
Well, I looked in a box, but I couldn't find anything. So I thought it was probably time to have a break.
So you looked in one box?
Yeah.
Esme?
Come on, Liliana. The toy store's closed. We've got all night. Let's make the most of it. Nerf fight?
Fine. Then we need to keep searching.
Of course, but for now... Oops. Great work, Liliana.
Thanks. Now we should probably get going.
Hello? Hello?
Hide!
Hello? Is anybody there? The store's closed. Hello? Ugh, look at all these Nerf bullets.
Olivia, I found Mr. Snuggles, but I lost Liliana. Amazing! But where's Lil? She's still in the toy store. I'm sure she'll find her own way out. Be back soon! Liliana, what are you you doing in there?
How long have you got?
Why can't I sleep? Maybe a walk in the woods would do it. A bit of fresh air. Boo! Ah! Malice, you terrified me. Can't take the heat? Get out of the kitchen, Isabella. The forest is a scary place. I know, but I don't think I could find my way back to the palace. The forest is like a maze. Ugh. Fine. Fine? What do you mean fine? Fine. You can come back to the tower with me. I wasn't gonna ask that. I think I'd rather stay in the forest. Really? See what I mean? Oh, okay, let's go. So, what were you doing in the forest at night anyway? I couldn't sleep. Even my special bedtime routine didn't work. Your special bedtime routine? What's that? Oh, it's just a list of stuff I do before I go to bed. Give me that. I know what the problem is. Oh yeah? Yes. You're doing it wrong. Really? But it normally... Completely wrong. Come on, I'll show you how to do it properly. Right, let's take a look at this nonsense. Step 1. Drink a herbal tea. That's silly. Really? Yes. Don't drink a herbal tea. Drink a coffee instead. Coffee? Yeah, coffee. Okay. I think that's made me feel more awake. Well, we're not done yet. Step 2. Listen to gentle music. Pah! No wonder you couldn't sleep. Really? What's wrong with that? Everyone knows you need to listen to heavy metal before you go to sleep. Come on, Isabella, embrace it. Put your back into it. Come on. This is the most important step. Step 3. Cuddle a teddy bear? Ugh! What? Cuddling is a big no. Why? It makes me feel comfortable for bed. Nope. Everyone knows teddy bears are for drop kicking. Drop kicking? You want me to kick my teddy bear? Well, it depends. Do you want to get to sleep or not? Well, yes, but... No buts. It's the only way. Come on, after me. Okay, Isabella, your turn. Here goes nothing. Excellent. How do you feel? Ready for sleep? No, I'm extremely awake. And now I'm worried about Mr. Snuggles. Oh, boo-hoo! He's just a teddy! I'm going to find him. Ha! Good luck, Isabella! Mr. Snuggles! But what about these poor teddies? All alone in the forest? Unless... Isabella! Sounds like Malice has met her new friends, Mr. Snuggles. Hee hee hee. Attention, princesses. I am going to turn all your candy into broccoli. Why do you want to do that, Malice? Because... Oh no, I'm just bored, I guess. Engage the giant broccoli cannon! Enjoy your candy while you can, princesses. Time is ticking until it's all gone. Oh no! What are we gonna do? I can't imagine a world without candy. Pull yourselves together, princesses. We have to think fast. Aha! I got it! We can use the spell book to destroy the cannon. Great idea! But which spell? There's only one way to find out. Aha. Gina's Piggers! Maybe not. Aha! Circus Parkers! Aha! Mommy and Tiny-Eyes! Your turn, Liliana. Aha! Oculus Schmoculus. Here you are. Your turn. Aha! Pistachio Mustachio! Whew, I got off easy. Yeah. Super lucky. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay, Freya, your turn again. Oh no, we don't have long left. Aha! This has to be it. Okay, princesses, repeat after me. Laser cannon, make us dandy. Laser cannon, make us dandy. Help us save the world's candy. Help us save the world's candy. Hey, what's going on? Naughty princesses. Way to go, princesses! We saved the candy! Now there's only one thing left to do. Shavers, pavers! I feel cold all of a sudden. I wish there was something fun to do. We could play a board game. Or have a picnic. Boring. You should make Fran and Esme some cookies. Don't be silly. You should play a prank on them. Yeah, you're right. But what should I do? This is all you need. Malice out. chocolate eggs and gummy goo make Freya's hair turn blue. My hair's turned blue! I'm supposed to be getting my photo taken tomorrow. Oh no, you must have the blues, Freya. Hee 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 hee.
Freya, your picture's gonna be a blooper.
You should play a prank on them. Here we go. Witch's warts and smelly socks. Makers may have the chicken pox. Oh no, what's going on? I'm so itchy. That's what you get for laughing at my hair, Esme.
There's got to be some way to get them back.
I've got a hunger that only Haribo can satisfy. Me too! Wait up, Alice!
I knew it! A prank book! Malice is so naughty. Time to get her back. Yeah, get her back. Good. Huh? What? Angels can still have fun. They're coming back!
I'm stuffed. I don't think I can eat another bite. Me too. Maybe I could just have one more.
To get my revenge and cure my pox, cover this witch in smelly socks!
Socks to be you, Malice. Oh, smelly socks. I haven't had a customer in my salon for weeks. I'm starting to think that those night classes at the Evil Institute of Evil Hairdressers was just a waste of time. Ah, fantastic! A customer! What will it be? A Mohican? Light green? Oh no, let me guess. You want it all off, completely bald.
No, Malice, I just wanted to see if you were okay. You were looking pretty miserable earlier.
Well, the thing is, I haven't had any customers in days, Freya. I'm considering of shutting down, or shall I say, cutting down my store. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong, Freya.
You're doing so much wrong, Malice.
Like what?
The name for starters. Malice's Evil Hair Salon. Who would want a haircut at an evil hair salon?
It's certified evil. I got a diploma from the Evil Institute of Hairdressing Institution.
It's just not very catchy. People don't want to know they're getting an evil haircut.
Fine, the name can change. How about hair scan?
Definitely not.
Hair-free and carefree?
That's just terrible.
Oh, fine. Is that any better?
I suppose.
Great, so the customers should be pouring in any minute.
Well, the real problem, Malice, is you're just terrible at hairdressing.
I only give the finest haircuts.
What about that time when Isabella came in here asking for a little bit off the bottom? Just a little bit off the bottom, please, Malice. And you gave her red, short, spiky hair.
A bit of an overreaction, I think.
She's still wearing a hat to mask it now.
Well, that's just one time.
No, it's not. Remember when Liliana came in here before the party? I'm going to a party tonight, Malice. Maybe something fun and funky. Maybe a few curls, nothing drastic.
something for a party.
You gave her clown hair.
Clowns perform at parties.
She wasn't the clown, Malice. It was very embarrassing for her when people asked her to juggle.
She should have been more clear. Anyway, that was only 2 times.
What about the time you gave Esme a bald head?
She liked it.
Interesting. Not what I had in mind, but less time in the shower. Thanks, Malice. Well, yes, but that's Esme for you. Anyone else would be pretty angry.
I'll never make it as an evil hairdresser.
I'll tell you what, Malice. If you give me a good haircut with no funny business, I'll tell everyone in Kiddyzuzaa land that you're a good hairdresser.
Really? You'd do that?
I would.
Take a seat.
Just a little off the ends, Malice. I mean that.
Sure thing.
Malice, no! This is what I was talking about.
Oh, sorry, Freya. I just can't help myself.
This is hard. Come on, Malice, get on with it. Malice, you've surprised me. What a great job. I'm going to tell all my friends how great you've been.
Gee, thanks, Freya. Ooh, one more thing, Freya. Try this shampoo. It will make your hair nice and strong.
Thanks, Malice. See you soon. Malice did a good job. I should try this shampoo. My hair certainly feels like it's growing. What's happened to me? That shampoo that Malice gave me must have been a prank. Oh! Malice, look what you did!
You didn't think I was going to give you a nice haircut, did you? This is an evil hair salon.
I'll get you for this, Malice.